Hey guys, it's Ivy the Happy Whisk. Today I'm making potatoes in the Instapot, rocking the 8-quart Instapot. Times and temps will be listed down below. Got my water, the trivet, and then I have a steamer, a little steamer basket from a different pot. I'm gonna put that there. But if you don't have that, that works too. Today's video is primarily potatoes in the Instapot, but since I'm rocking the 8-quart, I'm gonna put a little bit more in here. So I got my 4 washed potatoes, 2 sweet potatoes, or the yams, 2 orange potatoes. Then I'm gonna put 2 carrots, because I'm gonna use these carrots for something else tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go like that. And 1 entire head of garlic, just going like that, or maybe right there so it doesn't fall down into the water. And again, times and temps will be down below, but this is what I'm making in my 8-quart Instapot. And I'm back. Look at the potatoes. They came out fantastic. Poke right in, no problem at all. We bake it with the skin on and then we take it off. Unless it's organic, I usually take the skin off. The sweet potatoes are done as well. I'm using these for something for tomorrow. They don't need as long as the potatoes. Neither does the garlic or the carrot. You see how nice and mushy the carrot is? I'm actually gonna smash this into white spelt and make like flatbread or rounds or tortillas with it. Very good. The garlic is delicious, melted. It's like it's kind of buttery, but not tasting like butter. And that will go on the potatoes right now. And then the rest will go in the refrigerator. Again, the carrots, the garlic, and the yams or sweet potatoes did not have to go in as long as the big potatoes. But because I was there, I was just doing it all together because meal prep is a wonderful thing. So if I can have this kind of done ahead of time and make bread out of it later, I'll eat this during the week. Also, what's left can go into a homemade salad dressing because it's not quite as rich and creamy as a roasted garlic, but it's pretty good. If you got an extra head, sometimes stick it in there, especially if you're making mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes in the Instapot with some garlic. Keep the paper on. Keep it on. Definitely keep it on. And let's see if I can open it for you. It's still a little hot. It's a little too hot for me to play with, but you can see maybe one of them right there. Oh, am I not focusing? Can my camera focus? Let's see, how about now? How about now? Oh, I got focus. All right, look at that beautiful, creamy garlic. Smash it on a potato. Smear it on some toast, whatever you want. It's absolutely delicious. Really good in soup, too. Just stir fry at the end. Stick it in at the end. Wonderful thing to have in the refrigerator. But that's it for now. These are the potatoes. This is the carrots. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time right here on youtube.com/The Happy Whisk.